Pickleball is booming. It's no longer just a backyard pastime. It's one of the fastest-growing sports in America. Whether you're a casual player, a weekend warrior, or a serious competitor, the right paddle can completely transform your game. But here's the problem. Not all paddles are created equal. Some deliver raw power, others maximize spin, and some are designed for precision control. So, how do you know which one is right for you? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Consumer Picks, where today we're ranking the top 6 best pickleball paddles of 2025. We've tested the newest and most advanced paddles on the market, and we're breaking down their power, control, spin, and overall performance, so you can find the perfect paddle to take your game to the next level. And trust me, number 1 is an absolute game changer. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to Consumer Picks for the best sports gear reviews, and don't forget, all the paddles featured today are linked in the description below, so you can grab yours at the best price. All right, let's get started. Game on! If you crave pure power on the court, then the Filth by Bread and Butter is your go-to weapon. This paddle is built for aggressive players who want to dominate with explosive shots. Crafted using advanced thermoforming technology, it delivers pro-level power and durability while keeping the price lower than high-end tour models. The T700 carbon fiber face gives this paddle an insanely responsive surface, allowing you to generate torque, maximize your sweet spot, and reduce vibration on impact. The result? Faster shots, harder drives, and unbeatable smash potential. It also features a longer handle, perfect for two-handed backhands, and a lightweight design that doesn't compromise on control. Whether you're an advanced player looking to level up or a beginner ready to make an impact, this paddle delivers. Why choose it? If you want next-level power and tour-level performance, this paddle is a steal. If you love spinning the ball and keeping opponents on their toes, the 6-0 Quartz is a game-changer. This paddle is built for maximum spin, allowing you to put crazy amounts of rotation on every shot. The magic comes from its raw, textured T300 carbon fiber face, which grips the ball like no other paddle on the market. The result? More RPMs, deadlier slices, and precise shot placement. The lightweight design also means faster swings, so you can react quickly at the net and control rallies with ease. Beyond spin, this paddle boasts a massive sweet spot, making it highly forgiving, and it features a one-piece unibody construction for long-term durability. And let's not forget, this paddle looks awesome, with bold color accents popping against the sleek black design. Why choose it? If you want ridiculous spin and precise control, this is the paddle to beat. Looking for a paddle that's as stylish as it is functional? Meet the Tangerine Santorini, the ultimate blend of elegance and performance. Inspired by the Greek island of Santorini, this paddle has a luxury feel that looks straight out of a high-end country club. But don't be fooled by its designer aesthetic. This paddle performs. The fiberglass surface gives it a smooth, responsive pop, while the lightweight 7.6-ounce design allows for fast, powerful strokes. It also features an elongated sweet spot, making it easy to connect with clean, controlled shots. The chestnut brown leather grip adds a touch of class, while the USA Pickleball approval ensures it's tournament ready. Whether you're playing for fun or competing in a league, this paddle is a statement piece. Why choose it? If you want style, performance, and a paddle that turns heads, this is the one. If you're serious about dominating the court, then the Jola Ben Johns Perseus 3S is a paddle built for elite performance. Designed in collaboration with Ben Johns, one of the most decorated pickleball players in history, this paddle is engineered to give competitive players an edge. With 123-plus title wins, Johns knows exactly what it takes to create a paddle that delivers power, precision, and control, and the Perseus 3S does just that. What makes this paddle special? Pro-level power and control. The charged carbon surface is a game changer. It's been bond-treated to increase surface strength, giving you an explosive pop on your shots. Enhanced sweet spot and stability. The elongated paddle face gives you more surface area to land your shots with pinpoint accuracy. Propulsion core for maximum energy return. The patent-pending core amplifies power like never before, ensuring that your shots have maximum speed and energy transfer. Next-level tech, NFC chip enabled. This paddle isn't just about physical performance. It also takes your training to the next level. This is a pro-level paddle that serious players will love. It's all about power, spin, and precision, with cutting-edge technology that helps you analyze and improve your game. If you're ready to step up your pickleball skills and compete like a pro, The Perseus 3S is worth every penny. If you're just getting into pickleball but want a high-quality paddle that won't break the bank, the Onyx Graphite Z5 is a fantastic choice. This paddle is lightweight, well-balanced, and extremely easy to control, making it perfect for learning the game and improving your skills. The graphite face gives you excellent shot control, while the Nomex honeycomb core minimizes dead spots for consistent performance. One of its standout features is the large hitting surface, which helps prevent mishits. It also has a comfortable grip, so you can play for hours without fatigue. Plus, at just under $100, it's one of the best values on the market. Why choose it? If you're a beginner looking for great control, durability, and affordability, this paddle is a no-brainer. And now, for the best pickleball paddle of 2025, the Selkirk Vanguard Power Air. This paddle is pure innovation, packed with cutting-edge technology for players who want maximum power, speed, and precision. With an elongated shape and premium carbon fiber construction, this paddle delivers pro-level control and power in one sleek package. The air opening in the frame enhances swing speed, giving your serves and smashes an extra whip. The luxurious handle and seamless edge design ensure a secure grip and clean shot returns, even on tough angles. Whether you're playing singles or doubles, this paddle gives you a performance edge that few others can match. Why choose it? If you want the absolute best technology and performance, this is the paddle to beat. And that's a wrap on the best pickleball paddles of 2025. Whether you're a competitive pro, a weekend warrior, or just getting started, having the right paddle can completely transform your game. Power, precision, spin, control. Whatever your style, there's a perfect paddle for you. Now it's your turn. Which paddle are you most excited to try? Do you already have a favorite? Drop a comment below and let's talk pickleball. Before you go, don't forget, smash that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to Consumer Picks for more expert gear reviews and game-changing recommendations. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Check the links in the description for the best deals on these paddles and more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the court. Game on!